Hi students, we will discuss about antigen. What about antigen? Antigen substance, it is the substance stimulate production of antibodies. Antibodies are stimulated by the antigens. Antigens are the substance, and these are the antigens stimulates the production of the antibodies, causes for the production of the antibodies. And foreign molecule, student, foreign molecule, it is not a part of the body, human body, organism's body. It is entered into the body from the surrounding regions, surrounding parts. Okay, and so it is called foreign molecule, foreign substance. Okay, it is not a part of the body. That is called foreign molecule. And induce immune response. This is the antigen, which is called foreign particle, induces immune response in the body and bind with the component of immune system. It is immune system in the body consists of different types of the components, which shows fight against the antigen particles, microorganisms. These are the antigen bind with the components of immune system. Components of immune system. Student, antigens available in the form of the polysaccharide, proteins, lipoproteins, nucleoproteins, nucleic acids, means DNA, RNA. It is the antigen available in these forms. These are the substances formed after the destruction of the microorganism, destruction of the bacteria, virus or the fungi by the help of the phagocytes, mononuclear phagocytes, polymorphonuclear phagocytes. Phagocytes, macrophages, goes to the destruction of the microbes, and the type of the microorganism divided into smaller particles, that is called antigen. Antigens are available in these forms: polysaccharide, proteins, lipoproteins, nucleoprotein, nucleic acids. Antigen recognized by B cells, T cells, and presented by antigen presenting cell, altered self cells. Student, these are the antigens present in the body, recognized by B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes, and these are the antigens presented by antigen presenting cells. Which are the antigen presenting cells? Macrophages, dendritic cells, B cells. These are antigen presenting cells. Present the antigen to the T cells. Okay. Next, altered self cells. These are the antigens also presented by altered self cells. Altered self cells, student. These are cancerous cells, tumor cells, virus infected cells present in the body. These are the APCs, ASCs, present the antigen to the B cell, T cell. Okay. When the time of the presentation of antigens, that is recognized by B cell and T cells. And epitope, student, what about the epitope? Epitope, it is the part of antigen. Antigenic site. Epitope is antigenic site. And bind to a paratope. Paratope, it is the part of the antibody, student. Epitope, antigenic site, bind to a paratope of antibody. Paratope of an antibody. Student, what is the difference between epitope and the paratope is important. Next, these are antigens are two types, circulatory antigens and intracellular antigens. Okay, intracellular, not intracellular antigens. Okay, circulatory antigens freely circulates in the body fluids, circulatory fluids. And intracellular antigens present in the inner part of the body cells, and these are also includes with cell surface antigens. Students, cell surface antigens present on the cell surface. Antigens attaches with the plasma membrane of the body cells, that are called cell surface antigens. Example, blood group deciding antigens. Students, you observe red blood cells, erythrocytes. If you observe plasma membrane of the red blood cell, that shows antigens. These are the antigens are blood group deciding antigens, student. Okay, these type of the antigens called cell surface antigens. These are also one part in intracellular antigens. Next, what about the processing presentation of the antigens? Processing presentation of antigens. Okay. What about the process involved in the formation of the antigen particles, epitopes or antigenic determinants, and presentation of the antigens? Presentation of the antigens to the T lymphocytes. Okay. Now discuss about that information. Student, in this, pathogen taken by macrophages and broken down by enzymes from lysosomes. Student, this is the diagrammatic part that shows about the processing of the antigen by the macrophage. Student, it is the macrophage, one of the cell, phagocyte also called. This is the plasma membrane, student. This is the plasma membrane of the macrophage. Okay. And another, student, this is the bacterium. Bacterium, microorganism, foreign substance. Okay, this is the bacterium is engulfed by macrophage. Okay, engulfed by phagocytosed by macrophage. And this is the bacterium which is enters into the inner part of the macrophage. At the same time, lysozyme is the one of the cell organelle present in the inner part of the macrophage. That is, the lysozyme secretes enzymes. Okay, these are the enzymes from the lysozyme acts on the bacterium substance and divided into, broken down into smaller particles. Student, it is broken down into smaller particles. These are the smaller particles formed by phagocytosis of the macrophage, called broken species, these are the broken species called antigenic polypeptides. Student, antigenic determinants also called, these are also called epitope. These are also called epitope. Smaller antigen particles and also called antigenic determinants, antigenic polypeptides, also called epitopes. These are also called epitopes. This is the bacteria. This is the bacterium by the action of the macrophage divided into smaller particles. These are the particles available in form of the polysaccharide proteins, lipoproteins, nucleoproteins, nucleic acids. These are epitope and presented by MHC molecules. MSC molecules. Enter the process by the MSC molecules. The type of this system is also called human leukocyte antigen system, HLA system. Human leukocyte antigen system. Okay, student. These are the MSC molecules. MSC molecules are two types, student. Class 1 MSC molecule, class 2 MSC molecule. What about the class 1 MSC molecule? These are class 1 MSC molecule present on surface of all cells of body. All the cells of the body, cell surface of the body, that shows class 1 MSC molecules. All the nucleated cells in the body. Okay, surface, cell surface of the body shows class 1 MSC molecules. Student, this is the MSC molecule, student. This is the antigenic determinant or antigenic polypeptide is presented to T helper cells and TC cells, student. All the body cells in the body consist of class 1 MSC molecule. Okay, this is the MSC molecule which is present on the cell surface of the body. Present antigen, these type of the antigens present. Firstly, these are bind with the class 1 MSC molecule. After the binding with the class 1 MSC molecule, the type of the antigen present to TC cells. Okay, student, it is the antigen is present to the TC cells. TC cells, T lymphocytes, one type of T lymphocytes for cell-mediated immunity, cell-mediated immune response. Class 2 MSC molecule, student. Class 2 MSC molecule. What about the class 2 MSC molecule? Where these are present on the surface of antigen presenting cells. Antigen presenting cells, if you observe, cell surface of the antigen presenting cells. Okay, these are dendritic cells, macrophages, B cells. If you observe these cells, okay, and cell surface of the APCs consist class 2 MSC molecule, and these are the MSC molecules binds with antigen, present antigen to T helper cells. Present the antigen to the T helper cells for cell-mediated immunity or humoral immunity. Okay, sure. It is about the antigen